Come here.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hi, Auntie Jerri.
I like it.
We're going to open your box. We couldn't get you on FaceTime, so we're going to do it on here. Can you come over here and say hi?
Hi.
Hi. So we got your box.
Bunny.
Kyle Handy, it says.
Like a bunny.
Okay, get out of the way so I can use this knife.
There's a brown
We're
one,
unboxing.
and there's a blue one.
We haven't done a video in a few days. We probably.
Spider-Man and Captain America on my shirt. And
Kyle,
Iron
are you
Man.
looking? This is from Auntie Jerri. Look in the box.
Yeah. Wow.
All right, can you open the box yourself?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow.
What is it?
What's from Target?
We're going to Target today, right?
Oh.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, this is for Mommy.
Wow. My toy.
Whoa, can you show it?
It's my toy.
What is this? Trucks?
What? Socks?
Cool socks for Halloween. Those are Halloween socks, dude.
What? What the?
Oh.
Whoa, these are my favorite.
Show them. Cool. Yep, show them. So this is a Spider-Man play pack.
Well, I have another one.
And you got another one? What one is that? Oh, crafts?
It's
Oh,
another
perfect.
one.
These are crafts. We can do this
another
craft.
book.
Did you know that this is a puzzle?
Yeah.
So this is a cool puzzle. This will probably keep Kyle busy for like a half hour. It's perfect.
It's garbage.
That's garbage, yep. So you got a lovely book. I can read Otter, Hello, Sea Friends. Yay.
What's the project,
Oh, and this is
Mama?
a card for me. I probably should have opened this first.
That's my card. It's my card, Mommy.
Do not make me cry.
Well, says Kyle
Thanks for
Handy.
all your help. What is this?
Says Kyle
Are you
Handy.
kidding me right now? What are you doing? Michelle and
What
family
the-
couldn't have done it without you. Thanks for the hot cones. We'll send pictures. Love the Santangelos. You are crazy.
I didn't know what it is.
So for those who don't know, I sent some hot cones for Jerry's son's wedding coming up in November. So we'll have some fun pictures about that. You're more than welcome. We can't wait to see how they turn out.
Look at my shirt.
And look at your shirt, yes. And
They are
we're gonna have
superheroes.
so much fun today, right?
Yep.
This is a
Oh, wait.
puzzle.
Oh, wait.
So just to
My
recap,
nose.
we've
I
got a
can't
skull
see
puzzle.
myself.
We've got a play pack, Spider-Man. This is your favorite.
Oh, this is Spider-Man right here.
Yep, and all the guys.
This guy
And we've got cool socks. We just
Here's Spider-Man.
We'll probably wear these all
Here's
year
the
long.
Spider-Web. And this is
and
Batman.
fun trucks.
This is Batman's hair.
I never have enough trucks.
This is Batman's hair,
Okay.
everybody.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Say thank you.
Give thumbs up.
Love you.
Love you.
Blow kiss. Bye.